What's up guys? I want to take a minute and explain to you what my 1968 Mercedes-Benz, Elon Musk, and making money on Amazon all have in common. To do that, let's go for a little walk and I want to show you something while we go. Over the years, I've owned all kinds of cars, but this car by far gets more photographs than any. Now, why is that? Well, it's not because it's the newest car out there, it's because this car, made in 1968, was made in an era where people actually cared about what they're doing. Since the 60s, in my opinion, cars have become less and less interesting until one man came along by the name of Elon Musk. Now, Elon, of course, invented the Tesla, and he made the first car that was truly remarkable, being worthy of note, being worthy of remark, by doing things like, changing it from petrol to electricity for one, but all the little things like dog mode, where, people would be able to leave their dogs in there, push one button, and the interior of the car would be cooled down, the windows would be open a little bit so the dog could breathe. This kind of innovation is what's been missing. Now, the question I get all the time about Amazon is, how do I know that I'm gonna make money on Amazon? Let me tell you something. Amazon has got huge room for those people who are ready to innovate. And to prove it to you, we're gonna go for a little drive right now, and I'm gonna show you how to solve the #1 problem that people who wanna sell online have, which is how to find products to sell. And we're gonna talk about how you can innovate like Elon Musk and like the people who actually design these beautiful cars in such a way that you can build a business that you genuinely love and feel great about, and use Amazon simply as the distribution mechanism. So let's go for a spin. So here's the trick. You need to learn to see the world through the eyes of a seller as opposed to the eyes of a consumer. All around us, there are businesses, there are retailers, there are people consuming items. You've got to start to think, well, where are they being sold and what could I sell? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go into some big name retailers. Now, let me explain to you that if they're in business and they've been in business for a while, if they've got, a premises and they've got staff and they've got product on the shelf, the reason those products are on the shelf is because they're selling. If they weren't selling, they wouldn't be in business. So let's jump inside their stores and see what we can learn just by paying attention and seeing what they're making money off, and then see if we can make money off it too. All right, so here we are heading into Bunnings. Let's see what we can find. All right, now this is an interesting section here. I've found a couple of products here that might be interesting. What I like about them is the price point, and they're in a category that's not too sexy and not going to attract a lot of people. So this first one here is a shower chair for aged people. So let's pop over the screen how much these are doing on Amazon right now. This one is also interesting. Again, I love these categories because they're not too sexy, but could have some good dollars in them. Let's see what else we can find. All right, now these could be interesting as well. These are the humble toilet seat. Now notice in the middle of the rows here, these are going to be the biggest sellers. And at the top there, you've got those interesting designs, which means they're probably not as big a seller, but they could be good dollars. Let's have a look and see what these are on Amazon as well. And we'll throw the numbers over right now. Now this is a really interesting aisle. This is all the building supply stuff. In the US now, this has been a booming market on Amazon as builders are now ordering stuff direct to the sites that they're working on rather than running out and picking it up. So I'd have a close look at this sort of stuff and see if there's a niche that you could get into that isn't dominated by a major brand. All right, this could be yet another sleeper. The bobble-headed owl. Keeps birds off your lawn. Let's see how much the bobble-headed owls do. All right, now these could be a very, very interesting little corner here. What we've got is outdoor furniture covers, which I love, and also indoor ones. The reason I love these ideas is because there's lots of real estate that you could visually differentiate them, which we're going to talk about as we go. But also these ones here, tree hammocks. I wonder how much money tree hammocks are doing on Amazon, and furniture covers, because I think those could be big markets. All right, now this one could be interesting. Magnetic door curtains. Let's have a look and see what they're doing. Magnetic door curtains. Here's yet another interesting one. Biodegradable seedling pots. These could be really big. Let's check them out. All right, here's one for all of you green thumbs. Garden markers. These are little markers that you put in to mark your vegetables. You will be shocked what these do on Amazon and how you might be able to differentiate them. Guys, there are literally ideas everywhere in here. If you would like to learn how to get these ideas into real businesses for you, then I want to give you access to my 5-part free video series. I spent over $100,000 producing it properly, not like on an iPhone here, sneaking around in a Bunnings, but I could show you in this free 5-part video series exactly how you could start your own business by launching one of any of these products, not any of them, but the right ones on Amazon and starting your own little side hustle. All you got to do is click on the link around this video and I'll show you how to find products like some of these that I've just shown you and turn it into a reliable income on Amazon. We've taught over 11,000 students in 47 countries who've now done over $1 billion on Amazon selling products like what you see around us here. Click on the link around this video and I'll see you inside the free video series. Bye for now. If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.